everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are here with the contents of substance use disorder. We are moving with cannabis related disorder. Cannabis. It is the most widely used illegal drug in the world. Preparations are obtained from the plant Cannabis sativa. The most potent form of cannabis is the flowering tops of the plants or from the dried black or brown resinous exudate from the leaves, which is known as hashish or hash. Clinical features: dilatation of conjunctival blood vessels, mild tachycardia, orthostatic hypotension, increased appetite. Disorders include cannabis use disorder, cannabis intoxication delirium, cannabis withdrawal, cannabis induced psychotic disorders, cannabis induced anxiety disorders, unspecified cannabis related disorders. Treatment: dronabinol and Sativex. Next is opioid related disorder. Opioids may have been used for analgesic and other medical purposes, but it also have the history of misuse for their psychoactive effect. Common opioid drug is heroin. The disorders include opioid use disorder, opioid intoxication, opioid withdrawal disorder, opioid induced sleep disorder, opioid induced sexual dysfunction. Clinical features: altered mood, psychomotor retardation, drowsiness, slurred speech, impaired memory, and the associated symptoms include feeling of warmth, heaviness of extremities, dry mouth, itchy face, facial flushing, skin popping, etc. Treatment: ensure adequate airway, naloxone and psychotherapy. Next category is amphetamine. Amphetamines are most widely used illicit substances second only to cannabis. Preparations include dexoamphetamine, methamphetamine, ephedrine, pseudoephedrine, etc. Clinical features: decreased weight, paranoid ideas, personality changes, etc. Cocaine. It is an alkaloid derived from the shrubs Erythroxylum coca. Crack. It is the free base form of cocaine and it is extremely potent. It has very addictive ability. Clinical features: changes in personality, irritability, impaired concentration, compulsive behavior, severe insomnia, weight loss, nasal congestion, etc. The treatment include detoxification, psychosocial therapies and pharmacological therapies. Thank you.